Here's a new viral app, Daze Freeform chat app. So let's just go through it. Let's take a look why this app is going viral. And you can see it's built by Marble Media. I think it's New York startup. So the thing about this app is that it's like very visual messaging chatting app for teenagers, I guess mostly. So you can have fun with your friends, place messages anywhere, and then just create like a collage, like a image of your messages. So your messages are not just boring text after each other like you see in iMessage. Here you have a lot of visual elements which you can add. So quickly type something, press send, and drag the message anywhere. You can customize your fonts, draw, and so much more. We support video, audio, messages, gifts. This is a place to chat with your friends and get creative. We hope you love it. So yep, here is the app. Very minimalistic. I like the design. So it's super easy to get started. You just go in the app. You create your account. I had another video about how to exactly create an account. You add your phone number. You just receive confirmation text and you are in. Then you need to sync your contacts, and one of your contacts need to have this app already. And then this is the way you add friends. So you just add friends by having some of your contacts using the same phone number as they use for their contact info in this app, and then you can just tap add. And then you can't search your friends by usernames. It's not possible. So that's, oh, maybe you can. Sorry. So seems now it's possible to do that. So you can just search them by username as well. So that's the idea. Invite friends. You can also just share your invite link. Okay, so this is just link to download. Anyhow, that's what it is. And then when you added your friend, you can just see this messaging board where you can just write some message. For example, here I just write a simple message. It just says message sending. And then I can customize it. So I can change the color, the font, and all of the things. And then the cool thing is that I can just move it around. So here, as you can see, I just moved it to completely different location. So yeah, pretty cool. So that's one of the main features. So you kind of messaging each other in a very visual way. So you kind of creating like an image together. You're creating like a collage together instead of very boring text messages. You can then go and create like a sticker. So here you just quickly create a sticker and then you just sending it out just like that. And then it's delivered. You can attach videos, photos. Then you can create like a regular video. You can also create shapes, like a star or something. And then you can also just move it to some different place and send it here. Then you can do like a cutout. You can change the order. You can duplicate. You can delete it. You can also tap on any other message. You can react it. You can reply to it. So yeah, and then you can also send all the stickers which you already created. For example, you send in this sticker and your friend can put his text or her text here. And then you also have GIFs here, and yeah, so very visual app. That's the main feature, because there are hundreds of messaging apps, and this is how this app is just kind of being different. Then you have you tap on your friend. You can delete chat. You can enable do not disturb. You can see members of the chat. You can you can unfriend then the message. You can block the message. So and the friend. So that's basically what it is. I don't know how you can, okay, so do not disturb. How to create like a group chat. So how do I invite other friends in here? So seems, yeah, not, I don't know how to do it, but yeah, that's what it is. You add in friends, you have then your settings, and then you have different friends. Again, you can just go here, you can unfriend, you can block friend. You can go and send messages from here.